Tired of carrying both a wire stripper and long nose pliers? Klein's all-purpose pliers solve that problem by combining a wire stripper and long nose pliers in one multifunction tool.
Klein's all-purpose pliers cut, strip, loop, and now crimp a range of solid and stranded wires.
They feature convenient holes designed to shear 632 and 832 screws. The long nose allows for extended reach as well as grabbing and easily looping wires around screws. Klein's forged design, combined with induction hardened cutting knives, cut hard wire, perform better, and last longer than Stamp Tools knives. Dual material journeyman handles provide better grip and added comfort. The hot riveted joint on Klein's all-purpose pliers ensures smooth action with no handle wobble. The heavier forged steel construction of the all-purpose pliers makes them a much more durable overall tool.
Klein Tools is now featuring two models of this versatile tool. Both shear 632 and 832 bolts. The original all-purpose pliers cut, strip, and loop 8 to 16 solid and 10 to 18 stranded wire. It is also spring-loaded for self-opening action. The newer version strips a slightly different range of wire, including 10 to 18 solid and 12 to 20 stranded, and also features a crimper below the rivet. This precision machined crimper will crimp non-insulated connectors, lugs, and terminals.
Save time and money and stop carrying around extra tools with the all-purpose pliers from Klein Tools. Manufactured in the USA by Klein Tools for the professional tradesperson since 1857.